the Vice President and General Manager of the New River facility in Dublin, Virginia, where all the Volvo trucks are made right here in the United States. Today we didn't come alone. We brought a lot of our truck builders. In New River Valley, we are fortunate that we don't just make a piece of the truck, we make the whole truck.
It was quite simple and quite similar to what we have in Sweden, and it's a great country to actually come to.
So the transition from Europe to here to California was a little bit different, but the transition from California to here is a little bit easier. The pace is much slower, so it's much more chill.
I'm a kind of a person who likes to go out in group, likes to go out hiking to the mountains, because you have a lot of mountains for hiking nearby. So I've been to 3-4 places till now, like the Grandfather Mountain, Hanging Rock, etc. So yeah, so this is other interesting thing about it. If you like cycling or hiking, yeah, there are a lot of places around.